All right, everyone, a look at cryptic finance here. So we're going to stick with the new chart here. This is now the Coinbase weekly chart. So we're going to stick with this one. The other chart I never really liked. It was the Gemini chart and had a huge scam wick to the downside that we never used. So this one is going to be the new one here. So we're going to stick with this. We do have some new market caps here, new prices to look at. And I'm liking this better than I did the other chart. So you're going to like it too. Just trust me on that. Now, looking at CTX here, which, by the way, once again, thanks to Mel here on the channel for another super thanks, 4.99 super thanks here. So we're looking at CTX, bumping it up on the list here. Looking at it today, it is up 7% on the week. Now, if everyone out there would do the same thing Mel's doing and become a member of the channel, then I could do this full time, which I would really like to do. I don't have time these days with work and school and kids to, cover as much as we used to. So I try to get at least 4 or 5 or 6 videos a day out, and then some member videos. But yeah, it is what it is right now. But I really appreciate the super thanks there. So with that being said, cryptic finance here, it is sitting above on the Coinbase chart here, which I would imagine most people are looking at. So this chart's probably going to come in into play, into focus a lot better here. So we're over the 382 after breaking the previous uptrend here. We came down, I believe we hit the 618 or almost to the 786 after breaking that uptrend, like a lot of things did, as you can see here. So yeah, it came down to the 618 at 175, dipped below it, but ultimately we are back above it. So we're above the 382 on the macro fib here at 210. As long as you're above that, we're at 215. You can consider this thing macro bullish here. Now, with that being said, as long as you hold that price, the next price up would be the 0.5 at 297, almost $3. That is a 39% move. And then the next stop after that, of course, is the 618 at 420 here. So a 95% move. And then once you get back over the 618, that's the level here where you potentially can have a breakout to the upside here. So a big price would be 420 on CTX here for a move higher. So just keep an eye on those prices. If for some reason this wick here and this formation, especially on the smaller time frames, is not the bottom, then of course you're going to drop back down to the level we have on the chart here, and you would drop 36% in the other direction. But looking on the smaller time frames here, you could see what you guys know I'm about to do is, of course, the wick bottom there, lower highs, forming this market structure that you want to see to be bullish on something here. So looking good in that respect, I would have to say. Now, how high is this thing going to potentially go? We do have these new targets here, so kind of pay attention. If it only does from over the 382 up to the 786 at about 680, you're looking at about a 3x on your investment. So that's almost guaranteed up to this high $6 range. So that could be a good profit taking target here. And then the first stop after the new Coinbase chart high here at 1285 is going to take you up to about $28.50. A 189 million market cap is going to get you a decent little 13.5x on your investment. The next stop after that would be 43. You could see a $286 million market cap. So very low market cap still here for a 20x on your investment up to 43. And then that $500 million here, 520 million, you could see is a decent 36.5x up to about $78. So not bad profit taking targets for CTX here this cycle. And then the moonshot target would be all the way up here. You can see a $3.5 billion market cap to the 2272 at about $532 on CTX. And from today, that is going to give you a 250x on your investment here on CTX. So not bad at all if you think it's going to hit the multi-billion market cap target there. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see everyone in the next one. Peace out.